Yeah. Iberibe na yara mora. Ono mamero be basi lewa. Adonyeru wane fowa. Mega jidotoro nabo fowa. Hey, wane fowa. Buodike fowa. Ha, wane fowa. Meke na nyusi wane fowa. Kwa waso wada mane bulono. Kama onayenga ko wane onayenga ko lelu Eza buliko, wede gacha woburono. Ha! Ijega ka woburono. Okay. All right. Let's talk about Yam Baba, an influencer, a content creator, a blogger, and also a comedian and a stand-up comedian. Yam Baba, let's talk about Yam Baba. Yes, we will say nothing but the truth. If you like, you hate us. If you like us. We will analyze Yam Baba podcast, where he is doing well, and his way of business, and also where he is not doing well. We are all human beings, major correction, and we are bound to take correction. A lot of people on our blog, Yam Baba Yam Baba say about the video. Here the last year on May post to it. Oruzie Mbonya had one problem. Yam Baba post to the video. Yes, let us talk about that one very sharply. I could say that one. Then I could say reason why Oju headed that way. Now Kambo Nambo, I hear na azuko ma here. Yes. I hear na azuko ma here. It is also building material when the season age are then may building when the season. Then may alomako with the season. Then may building anything opening as with the season. Yes, politicians for the season on Benjamin election. Musician and entertainers for the season. Season hana about Christmas and New Year and Easter. Although no good money. Concerning Yam Baba, on a bomb Madebia, Messia podcast Nanke, or Megane, or may post to a Ematazie, on your way problem, on your post to if you have business in Yam Baba, Kaikun and Kebezoku. If I have business, you cannot come and dictate for Yam Baba the way, okay, see, make business here. Number one, if Yam Baba asks you a question, it's left for you to answer the question. What you know and what you don't know. Yam Baba did not put gun points on your face. First worry, second biaki you nka or biaki nka ozo. Ogara atiri goku atiri as a presenter. Atiri goku obra sinye magagwa siri kuo ifa. All free kuru keja George. So it's now an opportunity for him because this is his business. And probably post all the videos that time it will not sell. Yam Baba is paying workers. Yam Baba have a lot of workers under his control. On what the apartment or no. So you will not expect Yam Baba podcast or subo maybe that I do what's a hare and no consign him. He like Adadoku is not of his business. So it does Adoku. He have opportunity to shine because of Adoku. Now okay, Adoku Impossible to give it. Pota, Omegani, over to Okwa. Well, customer. Hello? I'm in my life. I'm on my way. I am doing life. I'm on my way. What do you will? Anzan demo bodo. On my way now. I'm doing life, babe. I'm on my way. Yes, that is where I'm going now. So what am I saying? Oboro na Yam Baba member the podcast or Sahara. Here able to work as over. Only post Twitter and YouTube. They post here on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, So he gathered his money through social media so that he can be able to have traffic and pay workers. Obuna ida doku, Yambaba will save it over a zone a season. Everything that has also with a season. I cannot come and be putting mouth and putting eyes somebody's business. Ozore season Yambaba will ne fork up. Now your statement, which he did not force you. Let us say the fact. I will also blame him where he's not doing well, but I will come to that aspect. Season Yambaba or season Onyobuna, not only Yambaba, Mamuao, Mamadio, Mbaije, where traffic ebo, Made fork war up. That is the reason why in social media you have to be very, very careful not to fuck up. Because if you fuck up, we go chop. That is our season. I'm not talking only about Yambaba. Anybody saying Yambaba this, Yambaba that, they make the same thing. So I was a season. It was here some few weeks ago. And one of breaking news. Some few weeks ago, what if any internet is dry? Everyone they were dry. They want 1,000 views, 300 shares, 1 like, 2 like. What are you not? I hear so. Now somebody go fuck up before I hear so. So you know, social media, try as much as you can not to fuck up. Because if you fuck up, we go use you shine. If I fuck up, another person go use me to shine. Mbana drag him, not drag him on social media. All bloggers Jima shine. Where them not shine, or where them now that blog, they make money, they make view. They have their own time. Everybody go blog them. You cannot say, why did you? I choose who I will blog and who I will not blog. It's none of anybody's business. I choose who will give me view and who will not give me view. It's not everybody you will blog, the person will give you view. Okay, it is a major video last year. Probably, Yambaba posted the video that time. That video did not make wave. I blocked the video. I collected that video from Yambaba page. Here my rails, they were 300,000. There were 300,000 views na rails as of last year. Now, that thing no give Yambaba view. Now, about your issue of native doctor, it a rhyme opportunity for Yambaba to catch out. After all, you know go call Eke from house. See Eke to come make I do your interview. Eke is the never because before you go to the podcast, you must pay. All advance come. He just go and make interview. Now, okay, he's just here by him. Just say one interview in Kenya, Baba Garaga, or this year, a good about who, Soludo, and Udo Gachi. Yamba Bajoka, they complain about that place, yeah, who believe that place and arrest. Tigos, or so. So, Auburn, he could not know, marriage, you arrest. It is your business, not Yambaba's business. It is your business. That is why, if you go to your podcast, do not open your mouth. Wow! And talk. Okay, look at now that Iwegredo Nesundo Canal. Iwegredo have forgotten podcast Omen and K Yambaba last year when he's still a Wadibia. Yambaba Dobere Yanangiga. Iwegredo join Oka, but they promote Ndoka. I buy in Wadibia. Yambaba Jabegene, Competable Yaho that time, Megane, repost to a what on your Basalia book I ask. And I have buying and selling. Over the gates so internet. If you don't know internet business and how internet works, you can never make view. You can't make one champagne on social media. We know how social media works. We know how to follow social media. We know when to post video and we know when not to post video. There is a video you post now. No matter how funny that video is, it will not trend. There's a video you will post now, no matter how educative that video will look like, it will not trend. Nobody go watch them. Because trending news now get about source. If you do content now with Dibia and also Toludo and running away or whatever, it will trend. Some of the bloggers and content creators, they don't know when to post video. But they post here now the art of track and social network. Something that will indicate the blog, Tunde not a blog, big blogger, they blog it, Obro gi one ebite ije happen trending news. Then they follow you also. If you post anything about you, it will not trend. If I know about era of native doctor. So anybody now go Yam Baba, say Yam Baba, if they post, yes, let me come to that aspect. You self, you give me up Yam Baba. Obona, if na mad they were problem. And the young who that time you see a trouble. Oh yeah, well so respect the person. You don't post that video that time. Let it not be that I'm saying one-sided. Open a mad made video today. That I am another oku. Problem. How to go to a problem I got or got a post video. But I will not tell you how to do your business because you are not the one that forces the person to say whatever you want to say. I went to your podcast, Messiah interview. Automatically, I have forgotten what I said on your podcast. Original wedding, and I was expecting him to post that video during that time. Not my wedding. Original wedding. I be done drag him. Osbo drag about Osbo. Yeah, my post on the video. Or Zoro way. So you talk about my own side. If you come back interview, unlike I'm post that interview, you way here that I made to go where they come out my money. Like, I might decide not to post it. But I'm gonna borrow a friend. I just borrow, an internet friend. I will post it. That is the reason why it is very, very good for you to maintain yourself. Be mindful of your speech. Be mindful of what you say to any blogger. Because when you have to do it, you could prove your points. Now you can hit the corner, put it away arrest. Na where they boom mad. Nonsense. A lot of things go where no bo oka Yam Baba post you cannot come and be blaming Yam Baba. Why do you post this? Because Yam Baba did not go to his shrine to post it, to do the video. Oh, I can hear the chorus. On hard work the Uruguay Chiquita. Oh, we wrote in a podcast say Yam Baba. His own is coming. When we have a problem to that. Only a problem about that. Yam Baba will still go and repost one or two Okujoro or that in our business. But I'm going to happen you could and get Yam Baba. Only you could go the simple, the clean, the bam, the sam without any blemish. You will find out that Yam Baba will not repost your video again because already here get you whole do accountable. Nothing. Only here get you whole do that. Because you could perfectly. I'm going spoil about Yam Baba business. Because tomorrow I might have my own podcast tomorrow. Already to my own podcast tomorrow, but then I want to check back. Why do you post the video? You could joke now, like him made it post. I will edit it and post when it will yield profits to me. Because I have people I'm paying salary. Kobo months ago, Mbanda and internet no bring money. Made them wait until they bring money. Anywhere it goes, as long as it is working, as long as I don't come to your shrine, I don't come to your office, I don't come to your house to interview you, I don't force you to come and do interview. No, go and Koram, bam, they want my podcast. I will record it down. Engage as well here. Simple. But even in a shop, okay? In a shop, okay, with it, over time, and die here. Jazwaka. In a shop, go to assist in the top of Chego. People cannot be reasonable for once. Or assist in the top of Chego. Under transport line, at top of Chego. Every day, 10,000, you buy 30,000. It's war. Go up as a big one. Who they want, do they always assist in the Tiago, Zo, EJ China, Budaya, dollar da, you never in a high dollar, but you never want about Nezura. I hear room but on a 1,002. In there, way, Makita, don't know now 215 or 17. In there, we had a way in there one again. It's a giant make a shop, okay? A better as a Facebook, Dogara, the fuck idiot. But I control the blogger what to say or what not to say. Otoroye one nigga watch out your hanya because he's guy and can make shop. Jeno no town go be brasha wora. Wangore make again. Bezen habane. Marobi ogara nuku. dinara na bed gasa si ya mu ka idiot but they buse phone this guy dey ku on idiot they hold dey ku eri chikete para chapo ga ya there imecha your own business onye blogger dey business nke e control be this guy is a fool. I think I have to block you. Do you have to inform the public that you want to unfollow the person? Unfollow whoever you want to unfollow. Nobody will force you. Allow bloggers to trend. If not for Facebook, I can go kidnapper. Or they like this. They go Yahoo. Or they like this. If not for Mark Zuckerberg, release the dollars every month. Now go. If I want to say, even governor can do a blog, I know the blue governor on Apple. A lot of Undoi, Martin blogging business, or any video put on social media is there to be analyzed. As long as I did not come and frame something, as long as I did not come and fabricate lie against you, if it is you that posted that video, it's not a post where a social media guy. We go analyze them. We analyze them. If you like, comment whatever you want to comment. This your comment is bringing me money. That's my own business. If what I'm saying it doesn't like it, and you are still following me, you are a fool. You don't like me and you are following me, and you are commenting on my page. Ibezi. Hello. Hello? Yeah, I'm saying you get I'm saying you get. Thank you very much. Oh, say good. Oh, you send it. Oh, you send it. Oh, say good. Oh, you send it today. Yes. Never can know where. I'm in my vow with my wife. Get it, yeah. Oh, Madam, my blog video or not to. I decide whom to block his video or not. When I come over, I remember my image. Anna. Oh, Barulu. Nah. Oh, where did you? I know. Oh. But I make I'm watching it over here, madam. Over here, checking him. I also said I can send the other. Yeah. So, allow bloggers to breathe. You got that? When we're breaking news, allow us to break it. So that next time, a man, a guy, goes to eat that fuck up. It's not content. Just jab around your mother. Around your mother's for content by fire by thunder. We don't have content. We know we commit a crime. A man of content, they can order. Supposed to go front now. Hey, where the angel? I'm not open na like the open na the wrong. On our son done us, so they window there with. How about a yamba, but let him breathe. Next time onye ọbụla chọrọ iji ime podcast ọ jụọ gị ajụjụ ịza ihe ịma za ihe ihe defend wu ọ bụrụ ịmara ihe ahụ ya na-ajụ gị na ịmara ime defend wu don't even go to the podcast to make fool of yourself. Ihe ọ bụla igbuchara one day o rejie nwa gị ahụ ewere gachiri out ịghọtara. Tiger nọ nso eru aka I see you Okoli Chubujegu. I see. I want to thank one of my guy in London. There is power. There is power in internet. There is power in internet. Emacharam satellite advert. Somebody from UK. Oh no, where the office said no, where the book or 500 and something thousand for printing. I got printing Apple for his company. A lot of people now. The guy bought yesterday night. Now some na. Na call go na ndema de bino. The only person in America, I suppose not the only person, but I'm talking about myself. I didn't know, but I have on a trachi. You told us about a lot of Lagos. Come once about a lot of Igbo. You know about the vats, say up Roman and Igbo, Southeast. All them need it. And when about grace, maybe on the turn of business, you must sell. You go up most. If you check my wife page, that is where I'm posting most of my work. If you check my wife page, that is Lola Mr. Jpac. If I post comedy, you know they go. If I post content or blog, you know they go. But if I post somebody's business and advert, they go. If you hate me, remember that the one day you will still need me. Because if you still need me to put mouth in your business. So hating me will not lead you anywhere. If they are a business, you hate Jpac talk too much. It will come to a time you will need that person that talk too much to put mouth in your business, because I am the only person na ni boye eme business advert kwoku mo so meje eti ono na business ga ina ere classical is a gift owo here ka obo kit obo ha wele obo ibubo on natural inbuilt ibubo eburu pastor agba afa buru dibere agba afa in the name na only me ga mere advert uti Igbo kwoku na business I think I have to be started advertising myself because people don't know the gift God gave me. If you like, hate me. If I put mouth for your business, you must sell. So remove away, put away hatred. Work with hate. Nandoge, can we come and call business? Just show me that person who run a business, yeah? Na hasuka karoko. When I go to na Facebook, people here now Facebook before God born Jpac can still go on na business 1 million naira involved. I'm a charge 1 million naira. Even they charge 1 million naira for adverts, one single advert, but nigga re beyond the before. Yeah, I do bet you go charge 1 million. If you have no to be on charge, you would be in a battle business. Unless no small company. I'm small company, they can have 500,000. My nature comes, must come to your office, come to that your factory, your plaza, about my life. Or so, you want 500,000, but I'm happy. You only send me the video because you take a Chicago flight to and fro. The Baconcha web, they go in the hotel. If you want a 500,000 up one, the hand over 500,000. Until go on that business. Okay, this man yesterday, and you go mail, or NATO under 24 hours. He made Mondays UK, London, Mondays America, Mondays Europe. Jpac, please, that's what make we don't go on. Currently, no, we're roofing almost roofing what more than 8 million naira over there. this man about integrity. How many integrity adverts? Go and ask him about integrity na somebody tell me the same Jpac because actually make one your roofing. See ya ego. When people be no Obuna Nandi club when he fe and that time. Na China business trade fair in China. My what yeah. Oh yeah, so because them make go advert the two more on them go all made advert. So given us some Jpac idiot, you talk too much. Okay, now be more about the you trouble and talk too much to put mouth in your business. To just put mouth. Jpac just work on my business. I don't may come there promote women or be maybe women can maybe women too big. No. But I don't know about in here. I've got here about God's gift. Till I tell them 101. Also got them 80 years and me Paul work with this singing. A business on our zone. Integrity name go roofing. Now uncountable roofing. Kawa. No women task. Na but I for how I charge Johanna. No women task no book over yes and boy. Is him boy, yes, yeah. Now good building material. Narrow gates, narrow electric gates, up here the motor, share. So no woman, no matter they will see fair. But I charge him. But one I would do whatever like this. I Jpac here, I can charge him. Okay, go see, don't worry. Whoa, okay, come buy the film. Up to today, no woman that is who you can. On a knock good or now or not, my happiness, when you're not a far. Then the man advert when a woman had to church new and purely okay. No matters are located gates now from them just advertise going to 500,000 that time. On all one gate, raw building, raw or no from no matter can't matter Oyana or legend interior. Oh, yeah, or on the corner so legend interior where boy on one day we're going to see this guy. But the guy they're going to corner or where or correct another legend interior. Today, when I let them to best of friends, and we still have a very big business. We are going to run from 2 or 3 months coming now. Legend now, so now I'm an office legend to load fostering from legend interior. Connect here some bloggers said I wonder can that you go on borrow come to the better borrow and IB or Topo or many people. Igbo son, say I got a so in a hate you are doing yourself. You are doing yourself. You're just doing yourself. They can talk too much. It's none of my business. People that know my value will still call me. I put mouth on their business. I then make them big contacts. Business in a video market. They are not even here watching. They might be here watching, but they cannot comment. People that give people work, they don't comment. They only take backyard, go and watch. Eventually they will call you. Thought of when never live video about it, see Jpac, take number, confirm 100,000. Somewhere they go Maya. Will I say no because of I'm married and my wife Rock is also involved? Let me just give her that respect, kudos, that's glory. My wife, spirit is America. So can you imagine? They were the advert today. My wife still on advert into a Piam and Haroko. We are about Osteen, na Lagos Island. I post my own advert to camera. My wife posts one career now about 400,000. And that's a call. That's a call. Ariaba is an example. I sold classic car. For those of us I work for it. Anything over there for money as a gift. It is my right and my hard work. If anybody give me Prado today, I work for it. Anybody that's me motor today, I work for it. Anything about money I work for it. It's not by mouth. I work more than that. Aba Otrabode Market. Go and ask Engineer Henry how many shop get a I had a classic car at Christmas, rain in November. And that's the time they retire. My own profit and commission can you allocate one shop of 12 million. And they are here telling Jpac, that's too much. Like I people can the fast Jpac.